Welcome to my YouTube channel English What. My name is Nikita, and today I am going to some special video. You also can say that video for our improve our English spoken. So guys, today I am challenged for myself. Today I am going to sing English 4 to 5 hours myself, and in this video include my routines, reading, listening, vocab learn, and conversation. Okay, I know I daily wise learn English studying 2 hours, but today and in my continue again I follow this routine 4 to 5 hours daily English conversation and improve my English. How to improve my English for this challenge. Okay, so guys, I know it is difficult, but not impossible. So guys, let's see if I do it or not. My task. Let's start. because I have completed my task. I challenge for myself that 4 to 5 hours I stay English, study English. So guys, today completed my task. That's all. Thank you.